What's up everyone? Today we have a tutorial on how to change your internal or external drive icon to something customizable. Let's say for example you have your business logo or anything that's not Windows standard. So this is just a quick tutorial on how to do that. Okay, I already did mine. So as you can see here, this is how it will look. You can obviously choose any icon you like. Usually it looks like this basically without the little thing. But yeah, so basically what you have to do is firstly go to uh, Google. I've put the links in the description from what I used. Okay, so I like to use flat icon. Obviously here you can search Batman, or you can search anything you like. They have a bunch of icons. Okay, then all you have to do is download the preferred icon. Download it in PNG, that's fine. We're going to convert it now. So here we see we do have it downloaded, but we need an ISO file. Okay, so best way to get it into ISO file is go to this website. It's also free to use, freeconvert.com. Okay, so you can revert PNG to ISO. You can just basically drag it in, convert, and then you should be able to download it in a moment. There we go. There it is. It's downloaded. Okay. So that aside, okay, so let's say you have your icon downloaded. Okay, then you can go into your drive, whichever drive you prefer. I use just a backup drive of mine where I used to store stuff. Okay, so first of all, you will see this. You won't see the hidden items, so you have to go to some. I think Windows 11 is it properties, or you go to View, and then there will be an option that says View Hidden Items. Okay, Windows 10. Go to this tab on top, View. Okay, so it's very important to view the file name extension and hidden items. Okay, then you can copy your item in here. Okay, as is added, and then all you do is create a new text document. Okay, you should call it autorun. Okay, autorun, and then the file name extension is what's behind the dot. Okay, that's INF. Okay, as soon as that is done, I'm not gonna do this now because I already did it. Okay, then it'll have a little gear icon. You can just double click on it. Okay, it's basically a text document. Then all you have to put in is autorun. Okay, open bracket, close bracket, and then you have to put an icon equals. Okay, so this is your icon name. Okay, mine is just mask. And .ico. This should be exactly what your icon. You can even rename your icon, and then change the name here. Just make sure you put in exclamation marks. Okay, you don't have to put in this bottom part, but this changes the label on the, as you can see here, backup and VM. This changes the label. Okay, then you can just hit file, save. Okay, just make sure you go to view and you hide these items again so you don't accidentally delete it or move it. So yeah, and then that's basically it. It won't update immediately. If you have an external drive, you can just plug it out, plug it back in. It should show. If it's an internal drive that's fixed, you can just restart your computer and it should be sorted. Okay guys, have a good one.